We're in court now. There's a case we have instituted now against the Federal Republic of Nigeria. In fact, the new suit is against Federal Republic of Nigeria, Attorney General of the Federation, General Yakubu Gowon, and General Olusegun Obasanjo. That's a new suit now. The next adjourned date is 25th. That is Tuesday. We are still at the preliminary stage. But I will want all Biafrans in the East to be at the court premises, Enugu Federal High Court, on the 25th, on Tuesday, because the case will come up again. That is what I will say now concerning that case.